Oh my god. That bird is not scared.
Where's the jaguar? I want to see the jaguar join the fight. Get good pictures of that dude.
Is that a stick in your rig? You do a video.
I am.
I always want to do a video.
I'm already doing a video.
Nice. I'm crazy. How's this going to turn out? He pulls at the end of them, try to get him away from there. I must have a nest there. Yeah, you're really not helpful. Yellow bird.
The bluebird's smart.
He knows how to do it.
I think the bird got bit.
This thing's outnumbered, bro. Dumb, bro.
Look, he's trying to just get away. Why can't he go real fast?
Qué buena.
So not helpful.
Ooh.
Mom, please.
Oh, we got him stretched out. Look, 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 look. Man, he's poking him. I think now the snake just wants to get away from him. I think he's hurting him.
Probably.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Mom, it's like you're one of those people that talks all the time during the movie. Is he bad? What's he doing there? Did he do that?
Yeah, he's going, he's going.
Oh,
I think that's it. Go, snake, go away.
I think he's dead.
Where's its? Oh, its head is down. Going down. Panther. That's a
Look at the panther in the back.
Yes.
Yeah, he's not gonna like it if he gets down there.
Well, he's got no other choice, I guess. He's getting poked on everywhere.
There's a panther too.
No, Pablo, comida no había.
Oh my gosh, I don't think that snake is still
Ya viste que
well.
los pájaros mataron la víbora y la están.
Todavía la viva.
¿Cómo le pica la?
That bird is not giving up.
No, he's
Won't let
trying
him-
to. The snake's
won't let
trying to
him
get
leave.
away.
La serpiente falleció. I think he's dead now. Poor snake.
Yeah, that's how that turned out. That
Snake
bird is
probably
not
had
giving up.
little snake children to feed. Poor snake.
Oh my god, oh, he slipped away. He still won't let him get away.
where is he now?
Just let him go. Maybe now he can hide in there. He'll probably come back.
This was not in our plan. This is personally nothing to rush. Oh, smart. You know why?
It doesn't come out.
This part of the head on the back. Not hard. Tough. But when he's dying now, he's feeling the belly. It's a really rough one.
Wow! I have it. Don't move the boat.
Oh
My God. Don't move the boat. Don't move the boat. Got a bite of it. Oh my God, you can see in his mouth. It's not letting go. What kind of snake is it?
Yeah. Yeah, he's actually going after it.